Imagine a place where peace reigns supreme, a haven nestled amidst nature's embrace, where serenity washes over you with every breath. This is Amani Ridge, the place of peace. Amani Ridge wasn't always this tranquil paradise. We started with a vision, a place for families to thrive amidst a secure and beautiful environment. We meticulously crafted the infrastructure, installing solar lights for a sustainable future. The majestic fountain of peace adds a touch of serenity, while the water tank guarantees a constant flow. The robust security wall and elegant Solomonic Gate provide safety and a unique sense of arrival. Amani Ridge isn't just about aesthetics. We planted hundreds of fruit trees, fostering a connection with nature and a healthy lifestyle. Witness this vibrant community flourish, with families building their exquisite dream homes, creating lasting memories. While Amani Ridge is currently sold out, we offer similar opportunities for you to build your own haven.
We are here at Amani Ridge, the place of peace, and I want to thank these wonderful Kenyans. They have been here for about 2.5 months, almost 3 months, doing this tunnel from the popular Lake Optiven all the way to Lake Sasini. This tunnel here, these are 900mm pipes. And I also thank the customers for their patience. When there was rain, DJ Covenant, I think it was one of the most stressful period because customers were calling, hey, Optiven, by the grace of God, yani Mungu anapenda Optiven. Hii sio shamba yetu. We were allowed by Sasini to do a tunnel, 1 kilometer tunnel. And I want to thank Sasini management for helping us to do this work. Now this work is 99% done. Yani imekamilika.
Imekamilika.
Ikishakamilika,
yes,
we will return this wall how it was before, and then the entire Amani Ridge will be secured. And once we do that, we do the handover.
Yes.
Twende tukadevelop vipingo. Yeah, we want to thank the county government because when we are doing this design, they were able to check our levels, our design, and they said, wow, your engineers are okay. Of course, we hired a consultant who did the design from Nairobi Water Services. Now the work is over and we have no hitches in terms of water flow. Optiven, we have done 90%. 10% is you to do it. Road maintenance, security, paying of service charge, because such a nested, if people are not paying service charge, it will dilapidate. We have an area we are going to do a clubhouse later on. Optiven, we have made it very good, but you can make it better. It is possible, it is doable. See you there, because I'm also a member in this estate.